Tools needed for this install: quarter ratchet, short 10mm socket, 6-inch extension, and a long flathead. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're doing a headlight installation video on a 11 to 16 Ford Super Duty. Let's get started. So first, we're going to remove 4 10mm bolts across the top of the grille. This next step requires a long flathead, so you're going to release 5 clips across the bottom of the grille. Basically going to find a slot, press down on the clip, and then pull the grille forward. So here are the 5 slots. Just going to drop the screwdriver, press down on the clip. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next, we're going to remove 4 10mm bolts holding the headlight in place. So we have 1 down below, 2 right here on the side, and 1 on top. After removing your 4 bolts, you're going to grab the headlight from right here and just carefully pull it straight back. Just looking at the back here, it's our high beam and low beam. I'm going to press down on the tab and disconnect it. Turn signal, turn it counterclockwise to remove the bulb socket. Side marker, turn it counterclockwise to disconnect. Side marker bulb, go ahead and disconnect that. Go ahead and bring over your new headlight. Go ahead and grab this side marker connector and your side marker socket. I'm going to plug this into the side marker socket. Make sure your negative wire matches up with your negative wire. Now before we install this side marker socket into the assembly, make sure your rubber gasket seal is intact to prevent any moisture. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Same with your turn signal bulb socket. Make sure the rubber gasket seal is intact. Plug it into your headlight assembly and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Then plug in your high beam and low beam. Make sure that's secure. Now we're going to seat our headlight in place. Make sure these guide pins line up with the holes. After seating in your headlight, reinstall your 4 10mm bolts. Now that we have our driver's side headlight installed, let's repeat the same process to the opposite side. Now that we have both headlights installed, go to reinstall your grille. Line up the bottom clips. Just carefully push it in place. Next, go ahead and reinstall your 4 10mm bolts across the top of the grille. Now that we're finished with this headlight install, let's close the hood and test all our headlight functions.